Welcome back to CodeChef's Python Basics series. Today, imagine giving your app a brain, one that makes decisions and even knows when something is missing. That's where Booleans and None come in. Booleans are like switches, on or off. Switch on, the bulb glows. That's true. Switch off, it's dark. That's false. None is like a package that hasn't been delivered yet. You know something should arrive, but right now it's not there. That's none. Booleans are like traffic lights. Green means go, true. Red means stop, false. None is like a blank name tag at an event. The tag is there, but no name has been written on it yet. It's waiting. In Python, Booleans are simple. They answer questions with just two choices, true or false. They help your code make decisions like whether to run a block or skip it. And then there's None. It's not zero, not empty, just a blank spot waiting to be filled. Booleans power login checks. If logged in is true, show dashboard. If admin mode is false, hide admin tools. None helps apps handle missing data, like an empty phone field in a form. Let's check how this looks in code. Is day equals true? Print, is it daytime? Is day. Since is day is true, the sun rises. Lights on equals true. Print, lights on, lights on. Lights on equals false. Print, lights on, lights on. True means lights on, false means off. Profile pic equals none. Print, has profile picture, profile pic. None means no image was uploaded. Booleans help your code think. None holds space for what's not there, yet. Together, they build logic into Python programs. Try out Boolean basics on CodeChef and fuel your coding journey.